everybody, Michelle here, the culinary nutritionist for the Nutrition Club at CHP, and today we're going to use some fresh parsley and oregano to make a green herb oil that you can use to drizzle on a salad or to add some extra flavor to your roasted chicken, vegetables, anything you can think of really. And herbs are a great way to add flavor without adding extra sodium. So let's get cooking. Here I have my washed and semi-dried parsley and oregano for the green herb oil that we're going to create today. And the first thing to do is to remove the leaves from the stems. With the parsley, the easiest way to do that is just to pinch and pull off the leaves from the stems. With the oregano, you can start toward the top and pull down sort of against the grain along the leaf and remove the stems. And then just pinch off the ones left on the top of the stalk. Now that we've got about 2 cups of our fresh oregano and fresh parsley, you can take those little bits of leaf scraps and stems and actually put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them and use them to season a stock later on. Adding about a teaspoon of salt to my water and bringing that water to a boil. Standing by, I have an ice bath so that as soon as the herbs are boiled and cooked, I'm going to plop them in there to stop the cooking and to keep their bright green color. Now that the water's boiling, I'm going to add the herbs and I'm going to cook them for no longer than 15 seconds. And now I'm going to remove them right to my ice bath. Herbs have been sitting in the ice bath for 5 minutes. I'm going to use my slotted spoon to take them out and place them on a clean, dry towel. Now we're going to pat the herbs dry. You can even pick them up and give them a little squeeze. We do want them to get very dry because oil and water, of course, don't behave well together. So we want to try to get them as dry as possible before we process them with the oil. Place our dried herbs into the blender, food processor in this case. And I'm going to add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to process that for a couple of minutes. Now that our oil has fully blended, we're going to transfer it into this coffee filter lined strainer and let it sit here for about half an hour to strain out all the solids.